The story.
On our faith, on our country.
State Superintendent Ryan Walters traveled to D.C. to speak at the Pray Vote Stand Summit. That's where he made this claim.
There is no separation of church and state in the Constitution or Declaration of Independence.
And technically, Walters is correct.
He's right in his respect. Is there something in the Constitution that says church and state separated? There is not.
We talked to News 9's legal analyst Irvin Box, looking at what is spelled out in the Constitution and where the idea of separation of church and state comes from.
I mean, the First Amendment starts off and it says that Congress shall make no laws respecting the establishment of religion.
This is what's known as the Establishment Clause.
People have extrapolated that over the years, thinking we've got a separation between church and state, which we really don't.
Box says the Founding Fathers never had the idea of total separation between church and state.
Only thing the founders wanted to make sure was that we couldn't have a state-sponsored religion.
Box says the crossover of religion and government is a gray area.
It's not a wall that separates them, it's a picket fence.
Meaning Walter's idea of a 60-second prayer or Bible in schools could be a reality if they make it through the courts.
It's going to be challenged by parents, it's going to maybe be challenged by school districts.
But Walters says he's not backing down.
So we will bring God back to schools and prayer back in schools in Oklahoma, and we will fight back against that radical myth.
State Superintendent Walters was not available for an interview today as he's traveling back to D.C. to testify before the U.S. House tomorrow on Chinese influence in schools. For Oklahoma's Own, I'm Haley Wager.